Every year, hundreds of infants and small children suffer from colds and cough, mainly due to their weak immune system. In fact, within the first year of life, most babies will have up to 7 colds. Children pick up the various infection causing viruses through contact with the infected person or contaminated air or surface. So here are some home remedies for colds and cough in babies. So number 1 is sponge bath. To reduce a fever in small babies, give them a cool water bath or sponge bath to regulate body temperature. A bath has the added benefits of relaxing your children. For small babies, give a sponge bath 2 or 3 times a day. Soak a washcloth in room temperature tap water. Wring out the excess water and then sponge the armpits, feet, hands, and groin to reduce their temperature. Another option to place a cold, damp washcloth on your baby's forehead and change it every few minutes. Older children can take a cool bath or shower. Note: avoid using very cold water, which may cause the initial body temperature to rise. So number 2 is lemon. Lemon is another good home remedy. Being rich in vitamin C, lemon helps boost the immune system and assist the body in fight cold and flu. Put the juice and peels from 4 lemons, 1 tablespoon of ginger slice in a pan. Add enough boiling water to cover the ingredients. Cover and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain off the liquid. Dilute this liquid with an equal amount of warm water and add raw honey for taste. Give your children this hot lemon to drink a few times a day. For babies younger than 1 year, add sugar instead of honey for taste. So number 3 is honey. Honey is a safe remedy for children age 1 and older who are suffering from the common cold or cough. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it to your children every few hours for symptoms relief.